Alright, so it is day 3. This is going to be episode 3. Today we are going to paint these seats. I have KG here. Alright, so we are now taking out all the little center plastic pieces here and all the plastic trim around the edges there. We're going to go ahead and remove these back seats now. And we are about to get started on dyeing this carpet here. So, alright, y'all stand by. Alright guys, so I already started painting with this stuff here, red, so not too bad, looks pretty good. Check it out. Alright, so this is the material. I just took them off the door panels. Me and the boys took the panels off and got all the vinyl off of there and moved the handle and every single thing that we needed to do to get that vinyl off of there. So we're going to go ahead and blast those red. This is what they look like. So they're not too bad actually. It looks pretty good. This is the first coat that I hit. About third one in, I was like, oh, I better get the camera. So I got the camera. Here we are. I'm on the fourth one now, so I'm just gonna keep going. Say a 6 out of 10. I just put prices of these old materials, but they can